Okay, joins. So um, we need to understand first the concept of the join. Let's see the query. To join the table, we have to have a relation between two tables. We have employee table on the top and department table on the bottom. So how we can define relationship is uh, in general terms, and we will not go with a higher level or exception or separate other concepts. So the joining will be done through primary key foreign key relationship. For instance, you have a primary key on a table. If that goes to other table as foreign key, then these two tables can be joined. So the purpose of the join is that you want to select some data from employee table. Now, employee table has information about department number of the employees, but it doesn't have information about department location or department name. That is there on other table, that is department. Now, let's say you want to display here department 20. What is the name? What is the location here? So for that you have to go to department table with number 20 to see which table has that information. And you can see it here, 20. So and then on this table you can just represent that information. But to pull that information, there are two ways. One is we did subquery, and with that we can represent. For subquery, you have to pull the information from the bottom table, and then you can represent that. On the top table, but that is little complicated for like attributes that is not there, because department location is not there on this table, and department name is not there. So for that we have to do join, and the best way to do join is select star from this two table. That implies it creates Cartesian product. Now what is Cartesian product? So as I discussed earlier, that Cartesian product is whenever you have two tables. Let's say we will just consider this first two. So it will create a table basically for one row. It will take one row from here and one row from there, and will create one line. And then it will take one row from here and second row, and it will create another row. This way it will create the table for entire row. For all the 14 rows it will create like that. Let's take low number of record. So here we can see one record, and here we have one record. So this will come nearby this when you do Cartesian product. So it will make like department number, and then the entire row will come, and then it will take the entire first row, then make another row. So it will become two, and then it will take this one, and then will take this first one, and then this one, and then second one, and then third one, and then this one, and then third one, and then the second one here. So it will make six rows. So let's see how we can do that here. So I just implemented that, and you can see that way. Earlier we saw that. So six rows like this. Okay, if you want to see the individual record, you can see this way as well. Okay, so basically this two line represents bottom two lines. So it's taking this one which is coming till here and then pulling this part and putting it here with the same up to department number this, then this part belongs to this table. Okay, so record is coming that way, and then it's bringing the first one and then second one, so 10 and then, but it's the order is little different, so you can see that way it's just a sort. So this record is there for this for 6 here. Here is the Smith, and then 20 record. Okay, so it's just the order. 10 came first. So this two record, first one and this one belong to this. It comes with department first row, then department second row here, and then it will take this one for 749 and 749 here. 2 times it will come for one row here, and with that it will take this one, make one row, which is the second row here. Another one is 749, entire row will come from here, this line, and then 20, and then after that it will bring the third one 7521 here with the first line here, and then 7521 from here, and then the last one, which is the last line of this. So that is the Cartesian product. So you just join this two table and it will create that, and from that, so once the Cartesian product is created, then you filter out the data from this table. So when you write select star from this table is created. Now you want to filter it out, that okay, now we will understand the concept of it. Now inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. First inner join. Inner join is quite simple, which is if the department number, after we did the cross product or Cartesian product, we will pull only those where department number are matching. So this will be selected. Okay, yeah, for these two tables only these two selected. So if you do that, where department ID, so we can make a query here. So just think this way, this is one table, top star I have seen just to take the row. So when I am joining, this is one table, this is another table, just I took 3 rows from employee table, 2 rows from the department table. Okay, and then I'm doing the join. Join is like whenever it's matching, and only one row is matching, and equi-join is like fetch the row. Equi-join means do this two, after cross product only bring those which are matching. So 20 is it's matching, so it will pull up only that record, which is record number 47369's record. Okay, so that is basically inner join. So we can see for entire table inner join how it works. This is the entire table cost product. So 4 row on the right table, and employee table has 14. I mean, when you write that, it's the same, but I just put it in there. So 14 row from employee table and 4 from department, so 56 row in total. So that is cross product. Now equi-join means inner join, or equi-join means where DEPTNO, you have to put here table name, which is emp.deptno equal to dpt.deptno, and then you select this. So only those which are matching. Okay, department number 20, okay, 30. So everything is matching there, that's why it's coming like that. So only from the cross product from the Cartesian product. This is Cartesian product. Only if it's 10 and 20, your equijoin will not bring that. So your concept of equijoin is wherever it's matching, you pull that. So you need to play around with it, and with a small amount of data, and you can see how things are working. You need to do it over and over. Okay. The same inner join you can write in this way. On the top you can see employee.department number is equal to department.department number. Wherever it's matching, pull that. Or you can write it that way, that inner join, EMP inner join with department on this where clause. You will just, this is just syntactical change. Both of them does the same thing. We can see that. So 14 rows, 50. So if we write this, we have 14 rows, and if we write this code, both are same joins. This will bring the same record. Okay, just the number of row here star, so it has less record. You can put there star if you want. Okay, left join. Left join is you have employee table on the left, okay, and department table on the right, and same thing you are doing. Context is everything is same, just you are adding to inner join. Instead of inner join, you are writing left join. Inner join is wherever it's matching, bring them. Okay, left join is and of course join, you have to write this, that wherever it's matching, so based on that it joins, but will filter out based on inner or left. Now inner join whenever it matches. Left join means matching will be there, but if it doesn't match, okay, still bring it here from the left, which is like employee table. If some records are there, but that doesn't have any department, still he will come. So we just inserted one record, okay, where no department, I didn't put any department number here. So if you select star from EMP, you will be able to see now 15 records are there, and there is one person I inserted 7880 that doesn't have any department. Now if you join that, so everybody will come, okay, even if it's not matching. Now if you do join, obviously department number is not there, and you are joining with department table department number, so it will not match because it's null, but still it will come. So you can see here after the join, so 15 row has come, and there is no department number for that, so it's null, null, null. So everybody on the left side will come, even if it's not matching, he will come. The other one is just opposite. If you do right join, so everybody belongs to department table will come, but if any department doesn't have any employee, that will also come. We will see that. So same left join, I changed the value here, department employee. Okay, left join, so I put the department on the left, so everybody on the left will come here. Okay, so department came here, but 40 doesn't have any department, so it any employee. So employee on the right side will be a null, null, null. So everybody came from this left table. So that means if it's matching, like department ID is matching, all the 40 row will come, because these are all matching. 10 10, okay, for everybody it matched. If it doesn't match for one that is there on the left table, which is department table, this department is there but it doesn't have any employee, still it will come and show as null, null, null. So that is left join, but it's I just changed the left join, department first and then employee second. Right join is just opposite of it. So whatever we did, just right join, if you just put right, whatever we executed for employee earlier, it will show like that. So just the null record just came. So right join, and so as you can see here, On employee, this doesn't 7800, it doesn't have any department that came. Okay, so that record came and department number is not there. It doesn't have any department, it's coming null, null, null. And you can do the same thing right for EMP and department. Right join. So anyone belong, now it's right join, so it's coming from right, which implies right table is your department. Everybody from department will, all the entry will come. So first of all, the match part will come. Just remember this thing, whenever you do join, whatever is matching will come first, and then if you have right join and whoever is on right, which is department, that row will come. Okay, and if it doesn't have any employee, it will come as null. Okay, and lastly we have full outer join. Full outer join is like from left and right, whatever is matching will come. And from left table, if some entry is there, some employee is there, but that he doesn't have any department, okay, that will also come. And on the other hand, if department is there but doesn't have any employee, that row will also come. So matching will come first on outer table, and then from left table it will, whatever is there will come from the left. Any employee that doesn't have any department will come. Okay, and then right table, whatever department is there but it doesn't have any employee, that row will also come. So matching plus exceptions from left and right table. Next we have set operation. So set is a mathematical operation. So if we see the set operation, we will understand it a little more in a better way. So first set operation is union. So set is mathematical operation that deals with numbers. So in one set you have few numbers, and another set you have few numbers. So let me see. And this comparison has to be within the same attributes. You cannot have like you cannot do set operation with name and salary. So everything has to match in one set. Set, you understand the concept of set, like 4% on one set, 3% on another set, it's like that. Or 4 balls with different color in one set, 3 balls in different color on another set, and you do the operation. So here we have a few things here. Let me make it a little easier, just a second. So here we will just pull up some employee numbers. So in group 1 you have few employees, okay, and group 2 you have few employees. Now if you see that 7902 78, so the union operation means if set 1 has 1 2 3 4 and set 2 has 1 2 3 4 5, the result of union will be 1 2 3 4 5. So if it's matching, it will bring that. So if something belong to only this, everybody will come. If something belong to this, that will come too. If it's extra on any of the sets, that will come. So there will be no missing number. If number belong to this group, it will come, show up. If number is belong to this, it will show up. It will not be repeated. If two number is there on both the sets, 2 will not come 2 times. So that is union. If you put union all, then if 2 is there on both the sets, it will come 2 times. So you can see the 2 entries. Now common numbers also came within 2 sets. So this 7788 came 2 times. Okay, that is the difference between union and union all. So intersect operation is like if you see how many are there, how many are here, so it will bring only those that are common between these two. So 7788 is common and 7902 is common. So to pull the common numbers from two sets, you put intersect. So this one is except. So if so first set has three numbers. So if any of these numbers are here, okay, will not be shown. Only that's not here will be shown. So 7839 is not there in this set, on the bottom set. So it will be here. 7788 is here, 7902 is here. So only the one that is not belong to this one from the bottom will be shown. So that is except on set operation.